Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I'm going to start with a new chapter, probability. So this will likely be a very short video, and in this I'll tell you what is probability. I think you'll be learning probability in class 10th, 11th and 12th, and maybe you might have learned about probability in earlier classes. So let's start. So, what you're going to learn this year is empirical probability. Like, probability is kind of has two types. First is the empirical probability. Empirical probability, empirical or experimental, experimental probability, and the other one is the theoretical probability. Theoretical probability. So theoretical probability is something that you will be learning in class 10th, and this is what you are learning this year. So what is empirical probability? So empirical probability isn't something that you will have to be scared of. Probability is something that is high, very easy, and people get marks easily. So, whenever you write probability is shown as P, and this is we write probability of something as PE. Now, PE is the probability of something favorable occurring over the total amount of over the total number of trials that you are taking. For example, you are tossing a coin, right? You have tossed a coin. So a coin is something like this. One side it has heads, and the other side it has tails. So if you toss a coin, you will get either heads or tails, right? So we can say that uh, there are 50% chances that you'll get heads, or 50% chances that you'll get tails. So 50% is something that we write as half. So the probability of getting either heads or tails is half. So we define probability as number of trials number of trials in which event occurred event occurred in which the event occurred. Just a second. Trials in which the event occurred over total number of trials, over total trials. So this coin example can be written as uh, the coin example. Say a coin is taken and and tossed. So there is equal probability of heads and tails. So number of trials in which event occurred. Say for example, you have to find the probability that uh, heads has appeared. So number of times the heads appeared in one toss is one, and the you know total total number of times uh, is 2, so you will get half. So this is what the analogy of probability is, and this is something very basic. Next time I'll be covering the definitions or something. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe.